Amoy. Boxing stable and down Santos City.
It's not good.
Gonna
It's
be a
slumped
good
down.
one. Egano was actually controlling the action at that time. But a left hand caught him on the face. Watch it again from a different angle. You know, left straight ang pumasok. Yun, tumama yung kanan galing kay Facularin. And that forced Egano to back off. Ito yung kanan galing kay Egano. Watch it again. Nice right hand. And that was in combination. Yun, kanan. Pumasok yun galing kay Egano. There's a right hand of Facularin. But not enough to put him down. Palagay ko, punches of the round ito. Ang dami kasi suntok ni Egano.